Welcome back, ladies and gents, and welcome back to another video on the channel. Today, sorry about I'm just finishing November. November's finished. We've raised so much money. Thank you to the donated as well. But I haven't shaved the tie. Oh well. Anyway, enough waffling. We're here today to speak about my top 3 OBS plugins that we use on my channel quite a bit. And we're going to go through them and a little bit of an overview, and then we'll do more in-depth videos if I haven't already done them. So let's get straight into it. No more waffling. So first off, we are going to go to the OBS forums website, and the first one we're going to look at is the Win Capture Audio plugin. So we have done a video on this relatively recently, so I'll link that in the description, and there might be a card at the top if I remember to do it. Basically, this, for me, I use it to capture my audio from different windows on the stream. So you've got, say, like if you've got like Forza, you're playing on Forza on your stream, you can capture the audio from that. You've got Discord, you've got Amazon Music, Spotify, any window that's on your stream, you can capture that audio. So we have done a video on it, but I will just show you quickly how we would do it. So in fact, let's have a look. So we're going to add in here, so we've already got it installed on this one. It's application audio output capture. Got it there. We can just call it what we want, and then literally just find the window and the application you want to capture. So in this instance, we'll say Discord, and then we press OK, and that's Discord in there. And then you can control your audio in your audio mixer for that one and put filters on it, do what you want. So it's a very handy plugin, and for me it's so much simpler to use than say Voicemeeter. So that's a number. Well, not in any particular order, but number 3 is that one. So next one, we're going to talk about Stream Effects. Oh my god, Stream Effects. Zaymar and creators over there who do this plugin, they create so many amazing sections for it. So there's constantly updates. See, look, there's test releases. What more can you ask for? But it adds so much to your stream. So there's the overview, which we've got here, and it adds different bits. So there is actually a website, so they will go to the website, show you a little bit about it. It is obviously, all of these are relatively easy to install. Well, they're very easy to install. So this is the website. Obviously, there's different filters and sections. We color grade and blur. I've used blur in the past on my stream, so I've done it. So I've had on my starting soon screen, and even on my just chatting, I had it where I had a section where I had blur on one side and a game in front of it, and I could control it with different bots that I had at the time. So, anyway, there's more. There's experimental. There's virtual green screen that's coming. There's a lot of the experimental stuff. But yeah, we'll just give you a quick idea of some of the bits that you can do with it. So the Stream Effects, it also has an auto update. It's one of the few that has an auto update inside of OBS. So when it has an official release one, it updates instantly inside of OBS. Well, not instantly. We'll give you a prompt, and then you can update it and go from there. So let's just. So hey, this is a good one that's on it. So where is it? So source mirror. So if you want to mirror any sort of source, you call it whatever you want. I call this what? Anyway, you got the idea. And then you can choose a source to mirror. It can be a scene, it can be whatever. Just for an example, we will do where is it? Somebody help me find it, because I can't. Video capture device. There you go. So, and then we can have multiple cameras of the same thing. So you can, again, you have to play around and experiment with these plugins. As much as there are YouTubers like myself who try and explain different sections of it. You need to add these things in yourself. So another filter that can be put on. So there's a SDF effects. That's also quite a good one. I like that. So you can add outlines, shadows, and different bits. You won't really tell on the inner shadows. Again, play around, outer glow. Play around with these. There are loads more. What we are ultimately going to do, so we're just going to remove that. What we're ultimately going to do is do a bit of a series and a bit more deep dive into each one of these. Maybe not the Win Audio Win one plugin because I've done a video. So do check that one out as well. The next one, anyway, this one, my God, this one just keeps getting better and better and better. Move transition plugin. So a lot of people use it for their transitions. Obviously, it's an easy download and install. There you go. We've gone through this before. We've done a few videos on the channel about giving like your moderators or your chat control over your camera movements and stuff like that. But it does more, just more than that. So much more. So we're just going to go again back into OBS. So we're going to show you, if I move my camera just to one side, we'll go over here.